Hi guys, today I'm going to make some butter cookies. But first I'm going to say the ingredients. The ingredients are 2 cups of flour, a half teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of unsalted butter, a half cup of sugar, 2 egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1/4 of sanding sugar. First, you are going to need a bowl where you can put all the materials or ingredients. Okay, now that you have the bowl, you need to put into the cup the flour. When you have the flour in the cup measure, you need to put it in the bowl like this, and do the same process with the other cup because it says that are 2 cups of flour. And you need to add the 100 grams of butter, but the butter needs to be dissolved like a liquid. Okay, now you're going to put the butter like this. Okay, now you're going to put the sugar and the cup of sugar like this. Now that you have the sugar in the cube, you're going to add it to the bowl. Now you are going to mix it with enveloping movements. Now you need to add the 2 egg yolks like this. 1 and 2. Then you're going to mix it with the whole mixture. After you put the 2 egg yolks, you're going to add the 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, like this. Finally, you're going to add a little of salt like this, and you're going to mix it. And finally, to cook all, you need to put it on the oven and about 180 degrees for about 25 minutes. And that's all. Bye!
Hello guys, I'm going to make a healthy salad. The ingredients are lettuce, corn, purple onion, chicken, cilantro, paprika, cumin, lemon and green cheese. The first pass, we put the lettuce next to the corn, next to the onion, and last the chicken. Okay, for the dip we put 4 tablespoons of green cheese, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, we cut the lemon and squeeze him. And we put a little of cumin and a little of paprika. Okay, we mix it. And dip in the salad. Okay, the last pass we put a little of cilantro and cheese. And a little of cheese. The finally pass we mix it. And finally, enjoy of your healthy salad. Thank you.
Hello guys, today I'll show you how to prepare my favorite dessert, a lemon cheesecake. The ingredients are 9 ounces of milk, 9 ounces of real milk, 9 ounces of condensated milk, 1 pack of jelly which is prepared with water, crumbled cookies with a tablespoon of butter, and lemon juice. Cheesecake preparation. First, we add the milk. Then we add the cream milk. Then finally we add the condensated milk. Then we add the tasteless jelly. And for last, we add the lemon juice. And now we mix it. Then we add a little bit of the crumbled cookie into a cup. We need to put a little bit more because it needs to be a quarter full. And then we crumble it again to make it stick to the cup. And then we add a little bit of the mixture we made before. And then we wait 5 hours in the fridge. Delicious!